final Geography 167 project, I decided to focus on the immigration issue within the U.S., focusing largely on the 2009 to 2013 period. Some of the data sources that I used to create this project include the Migration Policy Institute and Homeland Security Statistic Database. This first map is a dot density map of the top 5 unauthorized populations within the U.S., meaning that most of illegal immigrants who trespass the U.S. most likely originated from Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador, or the Dominican Republic. Mexico by far has the largest population of illegal immigrants, and it is important to note that it does not restrict itself to either the west or east coast, but its population is fairly distributed around the country. You may have also have noticed that there are a few blank states who do not illustrate any data, especially around the northwestern region, Alaska, and Hawaii. This is due to lack of data collection on behalf of the source that I chose. Let's now move on to the second map. This second map illustrates the unauthorized immigrant population within California. The map is once again a density dot map that maps out the geographical distribution of Mexico, Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, and Dominican Republic, and their distribution among California counties. The reason why I chose California is because it possesses the largest number of illegal and legal immigrants within the country. It would appear based on this map that illegal immigrants tend to gravitate toward urban settings as they are largely clustered around the San Jose area and Los Angeles region. Mexicans, once again, are the largest population and the most widely dispersed, though they keep to Southern California. We are now going to look more in depth at the independent populations based on their country of origin. Within this specific corpus, we will focus on those whom originated from Mexico. The map reveals that Los Angeles County is the most populated county for Mexican illegal immigrants, having up to 647,000 residents. Secondary counties include Riverside and San Diego. If we look at Northern California, we will see that the numbers start to dwindle, but some northern counties still have astonishing figures of 15,000. Within this next map, we will focus on Guatemala. Let's start once again with Los Angeles County. We will notice that the numbers already started going down. Los Angeles County is the most populated county from those who originate from Guatemala, and it only has 133,000 residents, opposed to Mexico's population of 647,000. Guatemalans also appear to be less dispersed, strictly staying towards Southern California and the San Jose Valley. Like the previous two maps, this map illustrates unauthorized illegal immigrant population, but we will be focusing on Honduras this time. The population numbers within this group are even lower than those of Guatemala. Its highest populated county has a total of 16,000, while Mexico's lowest county, apart from zero, is 15,000. The geographical distribution of the population is also limited, and they do not tend to stray away from Los Angeles County and San Bernardino. This last core map captures the same variables as the previous three, but focusing on those whom originate from El Salvador. The population is smaller than those who originated from Guatemala, yet it has a larger distribution of immigrants around the state, but not as large as the Mexican population. I did not make a core-plot map for the Dominican Republic because of lack of data and because its population tends to migrate more towards the east coast rather than the west coast. I would like to take this moment just to say that most of the data is based on estimations, since we are largely dealing with illegal immigrants who do not identify themselves with U.S. government. So any county or state that previously showed no data does not indicate a lack of immigrants, but simply lack of data and information. The last map that I wanted to illustrate is an interactive map that I made within Tableau. This map demonstrates not illegal but legal residents within the U.S. I wanted to see if there was any significant overlap, and it turns out that California still has the largest number of legal immigrants, New York being the second. If we look down at the bar chart, we can see that over 2009 to 2013 period, the number of legal immigrants has increased largely. This concludes this presentation. For more information, check out the data sources provided on the screen. For my final Geography 167 project, I decided to focus on the immigration issue within the U.S., focusing largely on the 2009 to 2013 period. Some of the data sources that I used to create this project include the Migration Policy Institute and Homeland Security Statistic Database. This first map is a dot density map of the top 5 unauthorized populations within the U.S., meaning that most of illegal immigrants who trespass the U.S. most likely originated from Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador, or the Dominican Republic. Mexico by far has the largest population of illegal immigrants, and it is important to note that it does not restrict